I am Dr. Shashank Sharad Kale, Senior Consultant Neurosurgery in Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. With over 3 decades of experience in neurosurgery, my journey began with an MBBS degree from Maulana Azad Medical College. After this, I did my Masters in General Surgery from Delhi University and my MCH in Neurosurgery from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I also completed a Reconstructive Spine Fellowship from University of South Florida in USA, followed by advanced training in gamma knife surgery from United Kingdom and France. Before joining Apollo Hospital, I had a long career of 32 years at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I have also served as an examiner for leading national and international medical institutions in the last 3 decades. I have organized and led numerous academic events over the last so many years, including Asia Pacific Cervical Spine Society meeting, the annual AIMS microneurosurgery workshops, the trauma workshops, the spine surgery workshops, the Neurospine Surgery Association of India meetings, and many such other events. I have also held leadership roles as President of the Asia Pacific Cervical Spine Society and President of the Neurospinal Surgeons Association of India and the Treasurer of the Neurological Society of India in the last few years. My research has contributed significantly in the fields of spine surgery, trauma, and stereotactic and functional neurosurgery. With over 240 publications in the fields of spine surgery, trauma surgery, neurosurgery, stereotactic and gamma knife surgery, my research has contributed significantly in these fields over the last few years. My area of surgical expertise over the last 3 decades has been neuro-oncology, that is brain tumors, spinal surgery, all kinds including deformity, and gamma knife surgery. I have been honored with multiple national orations, lifetime achievement awards from different societies, and a DSc honoris causa by the Amity University in Noida. As an active member of societies like the Asia Pacific Cervical Spine Society, the Neurological Society of India, the Neurospine Surgeons Association of India, I remain committed to 3 main pillars of neurosurgery: patient care, education, and research. And I hope I can do the same here in Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. Thank you for your time.